In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Remitly money transfer. Let's begin. So once you head over to the website at remitly.com, you're going to go to the top right and then select sign up. Or if you already have an account, just head over to log in. From here, you're going to be asked to enter in your email address, password, and then confirm that password, or alternatively, you can't sign up with your Google or Apple account. After you're done creating your account, it's going to ask you where do you want to send money. So there's going to be from and then to. So from, you're going to choose a country such as Australia, Austria, Belgium, and so on. Let's use Canada for example. And then to, we will be choosing India. If you head over to the right side, it's going to show you the conversion rate. And if you simply want to see the exchange rates for other countries, simply select the drop-down option and choose another country of your choice. Now, if you want to send money, head over to the right side and select Send Money. So at the top, it's going to ask you to enter in your amounts that you want to send. After choosing the amount, it's going to show you what the other recipient is going to receive in their local currency. So where it says promo exchange rates applied, this usually appears when you've just created your new account. But then after you've sent your first transfer, that promo will no longer be there. So that means extra fees are going to apply. So if you go to delivery speed, there's going to be two types, Express and Economy. Now Express is most definitely faster than Economy. And as you can see here, it says it delivers instantly, while Economy, it delivers in 3 to 6 days. Now, as you can see here, the prices are the same because this is a relatively new account. But then after you've sent your first amount, there's going to be different prices and they're going to range differently. Express is going to cost more than Economy, but for new accounts where there has been no payments, the prices are going to be the same. And then under the delivers instantly, you're going to see a small fee that's going to be charged to you. And then you're going to have the total amount there. So under delivery method, there's going to be different and various ways in which you can send the money. You could either use UPI, bank deposit, or cash pickup. If you want more information about what UPI is, simply select what is UPI, and it's going to give you more information about what it is. So I'll be using cash pickup. So from here, it's going to give you a huge list of the various cash pickup options. Then it'll ask you for the recipient's name and last name. From here, it's going to ask you to enter the recipient's city and state. Here it asks you, would you like us to text the recipient to transfer updates? You could either skip or continue. And it's going to ask you for a reason for sending, such as savings and family supports, my NRE/NRO accounts, real estate/house societies, educational institutions, and so on. Then here it's going to ask you to enter in your own personal details, such as your first name, last name, date of birth, and so on. Then from here, it's going to ask you to enter in your own address. And you'll be asked to enter in your own phone number. So from here, there's going to be a payment method, either to add a new card or Interact e-transfer. But please bear in mind that these have different delivery times. This one delivers in 5 minutes, the other delivers within 10 hours. So let's say add new card. After entering your card details, you will be able to send money to the other recipient. If you want to sign up for Remitly, the link will be provided in the description. I hope this video was helpful for you and I'll see you in the next one.